this is another unboxing video from Moorebikes, and today we're going to be unboxing the Shad SH38X expandable panniers and the fitting kit, which is in this box here. And we're going to fit this in a second video to our Honda NX 500. So here they are, neatly packaged in the box, and already you can see that they are substantial, as I've come to expect from Shad. I've been running Shad luggage, top box and panniers on my CF Moto now for a few years. Never let me down, really robust, decent kit. So let's get these out the box and take a look. The panniers come with 2 sets of keys, and these ones have got a really nice carbon look on here. So we'll pop the keys in, push down in the unlock position here. This pops up. You can carry it around with you, which is great. Or we can just release the inside here, and you can see it pops open. And you get a nice little spare barrel for the locks, which is good. And we've got this in here to keep things in place, which you can take out. Nice and strong mesh in there. And you can see here, there's already plenty of room in there. But let's have a look how this expandable thing works. So inside, we'll just drop this mesh down here. Bit of a test. Pop in a lid. Now that seems to fit in quite nicely, but it won't close. Okay. Do not despair. Now, although it is very substantial already, just watch this. What we can do is flick these 2 little bits here, and this little thing here pops up, which unlocks the mechanism. And if we get our fingers in here, we can just pull this open, and it gives us about that much extra depth. Now, here's the test. Bearing in mind there's 2 of these, one on either side, so if you've got a pillion, put those up first, does help. What I've done now is I've locked it in the open position. Okay, that's locked, that's locked, that's locked. Now we'll try again. Here we go, that's better. Now that already fits inside. If you can put this mesh back across there if you like, which you can. Just hold that in place. Look at that. Now that is superb. And you can see here, that's the distance of the expansion on there. And that holding the lid in place to stop it falling out. And if you want to put it back to normal, you just unlock it. What I do is just use the weight of the pannier to just push that closed like that. And then we lock it like that. Job's a good one. SH38X expandable panniers from Shad. That's the fitting kit box open. Again, some very nice packaging in here. So let's just whip all the packaging off and see how easy this is going to be. Right, we've got all the bits and pieces out of the box, and that's what I like to see. Not many bits to fit. A clear set of instructions from Shad, and a bag of bits. Already very impressed with the quality of these, because these are going on a nice shiny brand new bike, don't forget, so it all looks very robust and very well finished. Okay, so that's the fitting kit to take these expandable panniers and put them on the Honda NX500 A2 friendly adventure style motorcycle. So without further ado, we'll go on to video 2 now, which is putting these on.